Hello everyone. We are from Gurukul Group of Educational Wing, Mangalai, Assam. Our invention is based on topic of generating electricity by smart ruling speed breakers, base power generating system. Now there is a question which arises in our minds. If we make such a project which we can generate electricity by using electricity in some places like street lights, because there are many places where people still facing the problem of street light.
According to the question, electricity can be generated by many sources like windmill, but we should make it for rural areas in low budget. We have noticed that in every places, rural, urban or rural areas all have speed breakers in road. What will happen if we will make speed breakers like a ruler? Vehicles pass through the speed breakers and it will rotate. By rotating it, it will produce electricity. Consumers will consume electricity, and there are some sensors that sense the day and night. At the night time, consumers will provide the electricity to street light, and it will blow whole the night time. And in the daytime street lights will automatically off. We think that there are many speed breakers in the road. Can we generate electricity from the speed breakers?
We are noticing in the rural areas there is no street light. Many vehicles pass through the road, and thus sometimes accident will happen. If we fit a rotatable system in the speed breakers when the vehicles pass through the speed breakers and produce electricity.
And also we have to feed the consumer which will consume electricity, and also have to feed a sensor which will indicate day and night.
Now, here you have seen it is a picture of our working model. Now, there are some speed breakers which will rotate. Here is the sensorable part. Now there is no vehicle. Now we will show you the vehicle part. When the vehicle pass through the speed breakers, it will rotate, and directly the energy will consumed by the consumers. And when there is night time, at the night time automatically the sensors will detect the night time, and the street lights will on directly. Our project aligns with SDG 7, SDG 9, SDG 11, SDG 13 and SDG 12. We would like to wish all the other participants of Fixit Bharat Buildathon all the very best. We would also like to sincerely thank Ministry of Education, Government of India, Niti Aayog, and Adult Invention Mission for bringing the platform Fixit Bharat 2025. Thank you very much.